Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. We're going to do a speed control in DaVinci Resolve today. I'm in media page, just bringing my clip into the media pool, going into the edit page. We have to go to project settings. In the master setting, we have the project format and frame rate is 23.976. In the optimized media section, I picked ProRes 422 LT. And then the next, we're going to go into image scaling. So in the image scaling section, I picked center crop with no resizing. By default, it might be something different because I like to see the full size of the actual clip and then resize it right on the project. And then you save it. In the timeline, I just dragged and dropped the video clip already. It's all set up. And in the media pool, you can turn the media pool off and get better view, bigger view. And now I'm resizing my clip to 0.50. That way it fits into my HD format. And my video file is already linked with audio and video together. So I'm going to unlink it. It's Command Alt and L to unlink it. Simply click on the audio track and delete it because we are going to use a complete different audio track for this. Now we are going to get into speed control. The Command R will enable the speed control. It's a toggle function, so you can do Command R to enable it and disable it. And there's another way that you can access this control by right-clicking on the clip and then going into the menu and pick Retime Controls. So you have that. By default, these clips are 100%, which is the normal speed of your media. You just click on the drop down. We have add spot, change speed. Change speed has various speed, 100 and up, 100 and below. Reset to 100. Freeze frame. Freeze frame is a very interesting one. We're going to look at that. And reverse segment. Rewind, which will give you rewind of 50%, 100% and other percentages. And speed ramp. And then reset clip. These are the functions plus some of the functions that we are going to look at it today. So first one, we will look at add spot. So I'm going to go ahead and add few spots on my clip. And then the spots has 2 points there, one up and then down. The top one will control the speed of the clip. So if you drag it towards your left, you will see the speed increase, the number changes. The bottom point will allow you to set your point. Where do you want to start from or where do you want to finish? So you can drag the position wherever you want it to go up to. You can drag it and stop. So the top one's for the speed, the bottom one for the position. So I'm going to just pick up 400 from there and then drag it towards the left because I want it faster than that. And I'm trying to keep an odd number which is not listed there. So definitely you have to use that top pointer. The same way you can do the speed control to slow down as well. You will click on the top point and drag it towards your right. So when you drag it towards your right, you see that speed changes there. That one also you could do again by clicking on change speed and pick a lower number from 100%. Right now, regular speed, fast, and a slow speed within the same clip that you can do. When you move your pointer to the edge of the clip, you will see the arrows pointing outward. You can just drag it to change the speed of the clip. So the last portion of the clip, you could change it like this. And the same way you can do it at the beginning of the clip, you can change the speed of the clip by clicking that, and you have your other points to control the speed as well. Now we are going into reset to 100%. So you click on the drop down and pick reset to 100%. That'll reset the clip in just that section. So that portion of the clip, only that segment of the clip, change to 100%. Command Alt and R will reset the whole clip into the original speed, which is 100%. The same function you could pick from the menu as well. At the bottom you will see reset clip. Next we are moving into freeze frame. It's a very interesting one to do. You can have many creativity put into this and they'll create very nice videos. By default, freeze frame give you 2 seconds of a freeze. I'm changing my speed to 400 in the front portion of the clip to play it faster and freeze it for 2 seconds and then continue on with normal speed. I'm going to press Command Z twice to come back to the previous position. And then reverse segment. Reverse segment is very simple. Instead of playing forward, the clip going to be played reversed. All these arrows are pointing left. I did the Control Z to come back. And now we are going to go into rewind, which is very interesting. So I pick a position where I wanted to rewind that clip from beginning till that portion. I'm going to do 100%, but you can pick 50%. You can pick any percentages which is available on the screen. So you pick that 100%. It will rewind from the beginning till that position in that 100% rewind. So it'll rewind it and then it'll play continuous from that point onward. And you can make that rewind faster. So it's the same concept. So you will just drag it closer to the other point, and when you play it back, it's going to be rewind faster, and you can even make it faster than that. So you go very close to that, and then you will see really fast rewind, and then it comes back. So these are good for some action shot that when you play it. I do Control Z to come back. And now we are going to go into speed ramp. As everyone knows that speed ramp is very simple. It goes from 0 to up. Basically, it'll have a segment of 10, 30, 50, 70, and 90. If you make that reverse, and it'll be starting from 90% to 10%, and the clip will be like gradually increasing the speed, gradually slowing it down. And there's another option available in the speed control. After you choose the speed control, you simply press R. When you press R, a control box pops up. In the control box, you have a speed control, you have a frame rate, you have the duration, you have ripple speed, reverse speed, you have freeze frame. This freeze frame is different from what we did it before. And you can change the speed to 12. Automatically, you'll see the speed control change to 50% because it's going to play on a 12 frame per second rate. You can maintain the timing, or you can stretch to fit. So you have many options to work to get your clip better look. This freeze frame is different from what we did it before. It's good for titling at the end of the video, or wherever, even in between. If you wanted to do it, you don't have to create a freeze frame separately to do that. So with the speed control, you can do all of these. I hope you would like this video. If you like it, please click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so that will be encouraging me to make more video. Please do put comments in the comment section. That'll help me to improve my skills. Thank you. Have a good one.